All right, are you ready for this? This is a computer simulation of black holes currently merging. These are two black holes known as a binary black hole, and they're supermassive. And for reference, a supermassive black hole is a black hole with the mass of over 100,000 times the mass of the sun. So imagine 100,000 suns squashed together. And some black holes are actually up to the billions of times the mass of our sun. And in space, sometimes there are black holes like this that orbit each other, and they're known as binary black holes. And eventually they could collide. This is another artist's rendition, and when they do collide, they could form an even bigger supermassive black hole. Sometimes black holes merge when galaxies collide, and just like this, which is ARP 148, which is about 500 million light years away from Earth. And guess what? A group of researchers at the Rochester Institute of Technology just got a $1.8 million NASA grant to study this, to study exactly this, to study the collisions of black holes, or the merging of black holes, the collisions of galaxies, the formation of new black holes from the merging of black holes, the formation of a new galaxy from when galaxies collide, and also the formation of supermassive black holes, and kind of follow their evolution. They're going to be actually doing this by looking at the surrounding gas around black holes because remember, black holes have a really strong gravity, really strong gravitational influence. So they start to attract in nearby dust and gas and matter. And so when you have two binary black holes that are orbiting each other, you now have all this dust and gas that's starting to get pulled in. That actually brings us back to that very first image. And you can see what's happening around those black holes. And so this will help astronomers be able to detect where binary black holes are just within galaxies, and also what happens over time as they merge to form one supermassive black hole. And that's, again, because of all of this dust and gas around here. They can observe the behavior and what actually happens around that black hole. And yeah, and this could be like really helpful for astronomers trying to find these black holes in space. And this is going to give us a lot of insight, not just on, black holes and it being cool and whatnot, but like how galaxies form over time, and if we actually are correct about galaxy formation and evolution, and what happens when galaxies collide. What is that going to look like? Because one day the Milky Way is likely going to be colliding with Andromeda, which is on its way over here. And so what is that going to look like? Is a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A, going to merge with the supermassive black hole at the center of Andromeda? Probably. We likely won't be around for that. It's going to be in like potential civilizations. Might want to know this. What do you think?